Hi there to all the Hot Wheels fans and all the sports fans who are watching this video today. So, as you know, this car is from the 2020 Tokyo Olympics, guys, which is gonna begin from 23rd of July to the 8th of August, and everyone's in high spirits, and good luck to all the athletes who are aiming to win this. So, let's begin. This is...
Bittersweet and I'm walking slow. Sensitive, feel the afterglow. Looking for things that I can't control. Fear from my past cause it always shows. Do I wanna try? Can I let it go? Running from the past, wanting to be sure. Chaos in my mind, constant deja vu. But every time it comes back to you. Whoa, I'm still falling. Whoa, but it tastes bittersweet. Whoa, I keep on falling. Whoa, I like the taste of it.
Now, as you've seen the intro, guys, you know which car it is. It's the Toyota 2000 GT, and it's got 8 out of 10 in Olympic Games Tokyo 2020. Not the same without the Hot Wheels flame. At the back, you have the QR code. If you scan that, you'll go to the Hot Wheels website, and it's got some official trademarks. That is the Tokyo 2020 thing, and it's a legendary car, guys, from where all the Supras and everything came. So what are we waiting for? Let's go for the unboxing! Alright, our Olympic car is out of the box, guys. The first look of the Toyota 2000 GT. It has a lot of decals of the Tokyo 2020 Olympics, and the game here is karate, guys. Yes, it's written right there, and it has a lot of detailings. Love those old school wheels. It really looks so good in its classic form, and the interior is actually in a kind of a goldish color, guys. That really looks cool. I really love the details on this thing. It has the Tokyo 2020 written on the side. At the rear end, you haven't got much. The exhaust looks pretty nice, but it's kind of in the same color as the car. And you have the roll cage over there behind. Well, yeah, it looks pretty nice, and it is really an amazing looking car, guys. Like, the details and the design is so nice. I really like the Toyota 2000 GT. It's so cool, guys. Especially the side view mirrors, you know, that's amazing. So yeah, that's the roundabout look, guys. Why don't we just go for the info now? Here it comes. Now it's time to talk Toyota 2000 GT, as it's the short info. And moving on to the top speed, guys. The top speed is 137 miles per hour, which is 220 kilometers per hour. Not bad. And going for the engine is a 2-liter dual overhead cam inline 6-cylinder, which is called as the MF10, guys, which produced 148 horsepower. Not bad at its time. The car is pretty damn nice, that is. Well, yeah, guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, hit that like button. See you all, and also all the best to all the athletes out there for the Tokyo 2020 Olympics. See you then. Bye. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe.